Hi, how are
Hi.
you?
Good, good. A very good evening to you, Bharti ji, and a warm welcome to Madhuri's Luxury Co-Dot.
Like that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. And I hope you're able to hear me well. And I'm sure the audience can hear us and see us clearly. In case if anything, you can always text us. So today, Luxury meets Dr. Bharti Taneja, cosmetologist and celebrity beauty expert, founder, director of Bharti Taneja's Alps Beauty Group and Academy. And she's been a columnist for many magazines, media personality, and expert for various TV shows on channels like Aaj Tak, Zee, India TV, etc. And today she's at Marvi Dot. So it's a real pleasure and honor to have you here with me and all the audience who are watching the show today here. So as
Thank you, Madhuri.
yeah,
I'm
as you have, yeah, most welcome. So we start with the journey and story of the person, and yours is a very, very interesting journey, I know, and you are a brand in yourself. So it will be very inspiring and motivational for all the audience who's watching you today here. And we would love to hear your story and your journey. How Bharti Taneja became such a big brand, and you are all over India. There are so many salons, Alps beauty centers, training centers, salons. So we would like to know each and everything about Bharti Taneja ji here today.
You see, we have now 63 salon and institute in all over India. But being a doctor, I'm a doctor. I was a science math teacher long time back. When I got married, I was a science math teacher. So that time I started here. When I thought of doing any business, I wanted to do something which I really like. Although teaching I liked, and still I like teaching, and still I'm teaching because we have so many institutes. But I always wanted to do something in beauty because my dream was to make the world beautiful. So beauty was my first passion. Teaching was my second as my career. When I thought of doing business, beauty is my career. And when I started, it was really difficult because that time people never, had never wanted anybody to come into this business. People who are educated. So they used to tell me, "Don't you are a teacher, you are a science math teacher, you can do so much, and then why do you want to start this?" But I really liked it. So I said, whatever you like, you can do it very nicely and you can really go well once you like something and you are happy in that. So that's why I started with it. And that time, somehow we had lost our all the business which we had. So I just had 2,000 in my pocket, and I started my first venture with only 2,000 rupees in one of my third bedroom. Now, amazing. Like 32 years back. Yeah. Okay. So, amazing. I kept on working hard, and then I started, my business came up very well within few years. And then I started going abroad, learning few things from outside. Lot of courses I did from outside. And then I finished my BMS as well, my magnetotherapy, my aromatherapy, all the doctorate I did while, working. So, right. I think, when I started my business, the first thing was when I started to touch the clients, So I wanted to know about the skin first as a, science people, they are always, once they work very scientifically. So, I went to the market, I bought a lot of creams, and all the creams, they were the same rate, whether you buy almond cream or lemon cream, anything you buy is the same rate. Okay. So I was very upset about that because, I thought this cream is not almond cream cannot be almond cream because they cannot have the same rates. So that time I thought of doing my another business which I started along with that. That was making my product. And when I used to touch anybody clients, I wanted to know about their medical history first. I wanted to treat anybody. Even if I'm doing facial, so I wanted to treat the client internally, externally. So once I do the facial, she should really look beautiful and her skin should really improve. So that's why, I mixed my science with my business
Wow.
with beauty, and I started with the cosmetic clinics, and that's why I finished with my BMS as well, so that I can use
Lovely.
more herbs and I can use more science into my business. So that's how I started with it. And with the cosmetic clinic, that was a new thing at that time. People had only parlors, or they had doctors who were dermatologists. So there was nothing in between. So I grew both the things together and started the cosmetic clinic.
Wonderful. Beautiful. So it's been an amazing, great journey. And I think what I can understand from your journey is like a lot of hard work behind it. And also, it's been your passion. It's been your passion.
Yeah.
And you continue to be a learner. I see you and Gunjan, both of you, doing so many new courses all the time. And you are keeping yourself updated with whatever latest is happening in the world, actually. So it's not that once you've learned and you are done, it's a continuously learning process. Internationally, you keep yourself updated.
This is very, very important. Until and unless you keep yourself updated, you cannot really grow into your business. So when I started with my business in 88, in 89 only or 90, I went abroad, and then every year, maybe once or twice, we keep going abroad, bring all the latest techniques, latest products, latest machines, everything we bring from abroad, and we start with everything which is new into the market. So, but I started this business. There were so many people who were telling me, why don't you come and why don't you open business here or there in all over India? So that time, and I never wanted to leave my family. So when Gunjan came into business, and she said, I'll grow this business, outside everywhere in India. So she started doing franchise as well. So that way, growth went, it multiplied when she came into the business.
Right. It's like 1 plus 1, 11, as I say. And Gunjan and you are doing great work. Both of you have taken it to another level. And I think there's much more to come from both of you. And I think the combination of good qualifications being from the science background with cosmetics has been a very, very deadly combination because you have a complete knowledge of the scientific thing that's gone into the product, of making the product. So it's even more better, I believe. And I think, Bhartiji, you have been the first beauty concept of beauty clinic for the first time in India. So how does it feel that you being the beauty mogul and being the first person?
I think I'm getting a lot of phone calls or some messages in between. Maybe that's why. Ishita, can you help me?
You can mute it. Yeah, she'll have
Can I do it? Do not disturb. Should I do it?
Yeah.
Just a moment. Let me put my do not disturb on.
And I hope the audience is enjoying the session because it's such a learning experience right from Bhartiji about her journey, her story. She's right here with us. And it's as good as being with her. Today we all are here and the experience of everybody is like as good as being with her. You hear me? Some network issue, or maybe because she was trying to switch off the notifications, it's offline. So I'll just send her the request again. So it's a break time. So I'm sure she's going to be joining us soon. I've resent the invite to her. So I hope you all are enjoying the session. And in case if anybody of you have any queries, if you would like to ask her anything, you're more than welcome. She's right here. She's going to be right here with us. You can ask any of the beauty queries, cosmetic queries from Bharti Taneja ji, who's going to join us soon back here again. And I think while switching off the notifications, the network probably went because it's okay, we'll wait. If you can hear me, Bhartiji, I've resent you the invite. So you need to just join me back here. So And I hope and I believe you've been enjoying all the talk shows, because I've been getting very good feedback. I'm very glad my mom and dad are enjoying it, and even if they're not able to watch it live, my friends, they make sure that they watch the video whenever, as and when they get time. And it's been a great experience talking to all these established, distinguished people, and a great learning experience from all of them. Yesterday we had all the way from California, Dennis, who was here with us, and that was a great, amazing session as well. So I'm just waiting so that you can come and join us here. And I'm glad, despite of so many Zoom sessions and webinars going on, people are enjoying the talk show here at Madhuri's Luxury Co. It's a real pleasure and honor when people appreciate it, and when they equally enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying doing these shows. So I need to just check what's happened. It's going to be very interesting. Like, she has even done the created beautiful looks for Madhuri Dixit and Sushmita Sen. And she is the first person, known as the Beauty Mughal, coined the concept of beauty clinic for the first time in India. And there's a lot more to talk to her and tell about her. She's the golden lady. Yeah, Bharti ji, you've gone in the audience. I have sent you the invite, so you need to join me the same way how you joined me earlier, on screen. You have to be on screen with me. You have to leave from the audience and be on my screen. So that was like a short break.
Yeah, because there were so many calls they were coming, so I wanted to do that this time.
No worries. I think we have amazing, audience, and they're really very patient, and they're all here to listen to you. Bharti ji, if you have motivated and given any new platform to make money and make name, somebody has texted. Can you read that?
I got my bridal done by you 23 years ago, and I guess you were the first one in Tamilnagar doing nail art. I got that done 23 years ago. Yeah, actually, for everything, thank you so much, Pooja. Punita also wrote something that they have grown up with me, I'm sure. Because, I started with everything which was new. Like nail art, we were the only one who started with nail art. And computer hairstyling, the nail art, permanent makeup, and everything, whatever gold facial that was new, we brought it in India. Even hair extension, nail extension, everything, whatever came into new, that was started by me, because I used to go abroad every year, once or twice, so I used to bring it. So that's why I started nail art in Europe also, and everywhere in Italy. You were the first one.
You're also known as the Golden Lady for your famed facials, beauty, and product. You're known as the Golden Lady for the famed facials and product.
Because I started with gold facial in India. I brought one gold facial from abroad. Then we started making ourselves, because we are making a lot of products, almost 300, more than 300 products we are making ourselves. My husband is looking after that business, and we started together. But I did have time, and he had an interest in that. So he's very innovative. He's an engineer, so he thought, let me do this business. So he's doing this business very well, and we are making a lot of products. We started to market at the moment on everywhere, Amazon, everywhere.
Yeah, so it's like a power couple. I call you both a power couple.
I would say it is a family, Gunjan, Ishika, my husband, Raji, and
true.
Ishika also did a lot. She was also into. She has seen beauty when she was very young. She was born. She came into this business only. So she made a Guinness Book of World Record. She did 60 makeups in 15 minutes. So that was
awesome.
Guinness Book wonderful because she made.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Very difficult. Such a difficult job. 60 makeup, 1 minute in one makeup in 1 minute.
But you're also a world
content. We also made world record. She did what we made work because we did 345 makeup in 2 hours with a small team.
Awesome. And if you can tell a brief about you as a cosmetologist.
Yeah, I did my BSc, my BAd, my Russian language, and then it came into this business. Then, I was a science teacher. Then later on, I did my BMS. So cosmetologist means who does, all the treatments. So because of my science background and my doctorate, aromatherapist, medical I, cosmetologist means does everything to make the skin and hair, can increase skin and hair. So once we change very good. So we did the medical history and then about the nutrition, about everything, about the even psychological history. Because I tell you one very important thing. Generally, people don't know that most of the problems which we have on our skin or hair, like if we have acne, under dark circle, we start because very early age, and the hair fall and everything. All those problems are generally because of the hormonal problem, and that comes generally, but especially if I talk about ladies, it is because of the stress what they have in their life. So we did the medical history, but as well as psychological history as well, so that we can treat the client actually internally and externally, psychologically, and with the products, with the treatment and medicines as well. So that's why we have doctors in it. 2 doctors are always there, so that once anybody comes, we take the medical history and then we start with the best possible treatment. So that's why we treat skin and hair together. Along with the makeup, makeup is definitely we do makeup and other things as well. But I do all the things.
Right. And also,
know that we can do.
Whatever harm pollution does to your skin, you take care of that as well. Besides stress and aging, it's also pollution.
Yeah, pollution and sun tanning or sunburn, or even we can definitely remove the marks, any kind of marks, even burn marks. So that way, if anybody
comes in cosmetology. Yeah, I believe that comes in cosmetology.
That all comes in cosmetology. Actually, makeup, hair, everything comes in cosmetology. Cosmetology is a course. We teach cosmetology to different people. I have doctors as well as my students and newcomers who just want to come into this business. So cosmetology means everything from A to Z. In cosmetology, we count makeup, count beauty, we count skin, everything comes in cosmetology actually.
Wonderful, beautiful. And you've also been the celebrity beauty expert, and you have, created beautiful looks for Bollywood stars like Madhuri Dixit and Smita Sen. So if you can tell something about the experience of doing their looks, how was the experience, with Smita and Madhuri?
Madhuri is such a sweet girl. When she was, on the top at that time, I was doing her makeup. Once I went to her room, she opened the door herself. And she introduced herself. So, it was, that's what, we learn from others. I really felt so good. Everybody know her, so why, she's introducing, and she was so sweet, and so humble. So that's why I like Madhuri Dixit. And for Sushmita Sen, it was the first makeup which I did. From first to so many makeup till she became Miss Universe and went to Bombay. I think almost 100 times I did her makeup, and she was very courageous and very good, very sweet, but very courageous also. First time when I met her, she was not so famous, so that's why I was doing others' makeup. We always take the first who's famous and they need more attention as well. She had taken with my hand and she said, "You will do my makeup first." So she has developed that much courage. So I really like her because she's very courageous girl, very sweet also, very sweet, very beautiful, very humble as well.
Right. I'm sure it must have been a wonderful experience, doing it over the Miss World and the Bollywood industry, Madhuri Dixit. And I really feel honored to say that in one of the events at Taj Ambassador, you were the judge and Lieutenant Rita Ramani was also there. And you guys selected me as a showstopper. So that felt, made me feel really good when it came from you and Rita ji. So I still remember that. So now Bharti ji, as a founder director of Bharti Taneja's Elps Beauty Group and Academy, if you can tell something about the Bharti Taneja's Elps Beauty Group and Academy.
We have beauty parlors, beauty clinics, salons. We call because some of our franchisees are only salons as well. But we have salons, we have clinics, cosmetic clinics, beauty clinics, and then because we have cosmetic clinics as well, some doctors take our franchisee and make the cosmetic clinics. So we have that as well, and then we have a lot of institutes all over India. A lot of institutes where we teach, and we have franchisee institutes as well. And then we make our products, lot of products, and then we have in the group we call our this foundation NGO where we teach a lot of girls who cannot afford and they have dreams to do something in their life. So we take those girls who cannot afford but they have dreams and they have passion for beauty. And believe me, once they come here, they start with the course, and when they finish the course, the difference what we see in them, that makes us so happy. We really feel so great, once they go out of the institute and do something good, get a good job, and look after their family. So that is what that's the main prize we get from that.
That's a really noble thing to do. It's like giving back to society after you have achieved so much in life. And I think that you're doing under Bharti Taneja Foundation.
Yeah, you have a foundation. Those awards are the big awards. When you get it.
Right. And you also do the permanent makeup for cancer survivors. You give them complimentary makeup to the cancer survivors?
Permanent makeup. Actually, permanent makeup, people who have cancer or people who have thyroid. Generally, sometimes they start losing in thyroid also. They start losing their eyebrows, they start losing their hair. So once you don't have eyebrows, eyelashes, you just look like a mask. So at that time, if we make the eyebrow and we do the eyeliner and kajal, even if you don't have lashes, your face looks so beautiful and that gives confidence to them. So we are doing a lot for them. My first time when I came from abroad was a thyroid patient who didn't have eyebrows or lashes. So that time I did her makeup, permanent makeup, and she got married engaged next day only. So that way we always we give a lot of confidence, a lot of happiness, and we get a lot of blessings from everybody.
Absolutely. And it's such a nice thing. It's a wonderful tip for the people who are hearing that eyebrows can make so much of a difference, If you just highlight a bit of your eyebrows if they're light, that's a really good tip for the day. And also, Bharti, you have been a columnist for many magazines and newspaper dailies like Times of India, Hindustan Times, Femina, Salon Management, etc. So, which has been your favorite column in the magazine? Or which has been the most liked column of yours? If you can tell a bit about that.
It's very difficult to say one favorite column, but the best thing is since 1992, I have been writing for Amar Ujala, and still I am writing for them. So you can well imagine, I've been almost 20.
Send the invite again. So I'll just resend the invite. I don't know, Bharti ji, if you can hear me, you've gone offline from the chat. You need to join me here again because I cannot see you here. Once I see you, I can send you the invite again. Maybe there's a network issue, so she's gone offline, but I'm sure she'll come back. And once she's here, we are going to continue with the session. It's been really interesting to know so many good things, and it's really informative. And there's lots more information we are going to get from her. So stay tuned, and let's wait for her to join us back again. Let me just check. minutes, she would join back. I will just wait for her to come back on screen. Once she's here on screen, then I can resend the invite to her. So we are waiting here, Bharti ji, in case you can hear me, because I have no idea. Somehow it's gone offline. We'll wait for you to join us here. So that I can send you the invite again. I think, Sunita, you've asked a question that how you've motivated and given new platform to make money and name to many women. I'm surely going to ask her this question, because sometimes what happens is we are not able to see the question on screen. It just disappears. But right now I can see it, and I will make sure that I, get the reply for this query. So it's like you have motivated and given new platform. Anybody else has a question, please put it up so that when she joins us, I can always ask her the question that you have in mind. Right now, I can only see Sunita's question here, which definitely will be answered once she joins us. In case anybody else also, please send. Yeah, there I go. So I think some network issue probably.
I was writing regularly to you so that you can see. I don't know what there's some problem.
Right. So we were talking about the column that you've been writing. So if you can share any of your favorite columns, or which has been most appreciated out of so many that you have written for so many magazines.
I've been getting since 1992. I've been writing for Amar Ujala. So that was the longest column which I have. I still have writing, but I'm almost in all the papers. I've been writing for Navbharat Times, for HT also, for HT Hindi also writing regularly, Rashtra Sahara. I think most of the papers I have my column, and most of the magazines I have my column. So, I love all of them, and I'm doing All India radio programs since 1990.
Wow.
So I'm
wonderful. So you've been a legend in the industry. Yeah, you're like a legend in the industry, I should say. And also, you any of the tips to manage the salon? If you can give salon management tips, how to manage the salon, because you're managing so many. People can't manage even one sometimes.
I think managing. You need a good team. The most important thing is you need a very good team who can work for you, and you have to take up the work from them very strictly and very you have to manage them very well. It's difficult, but you have to understand them. And I'm really happy that I have people with me since last 20 years, 25 years. So I have the same people working with me since many years. Because they are just my family members. What I call is, I always thought that it is a family, not an organization. So whoever works with us is a family member. We look after them every way, whatever is possible. So I think when you are a family, you stay together for a long time. So that is one thing.
Very good.
If you take care of them, they will take care of you. That's very important if you want to stay for a longer time. So, and along with that, you have to manage your family as well. So, you have to give time. You have to make small compartment for each and everyone, for your clients, for your students, for your staff, and for your relatives and family. So that is also very important. And what I wish if I have a list, with the alarm. So I wish everybody, even their family members or relatives or friends, or my staff members, so their birthday, that makes a lot of difference. And we wish each and every client, manager. So keeping them in touch, I think everybody takes it.
True, beautiful. And actually, I've known you from quite some time now, and it's really inspiring to see how you so beautifully manage your family, your work, and also teaching and media, everything all together. So it's really inspiring, and I believe Bharti ji got a lot of awards and accolades. So the most important, I believe, has been the Women Achievers Award, 100 Women Achievers conferred by the President of India. I think there cannot be a bigger award than that, than getting it from the President. Yeah,
But I really don't remember. I don't have a counting how many awards I have got. But I always say the best award for me is seeing a beautiful smile on my client's face. So that is the best award I always feel. Definitely, once the president gives you an award, you feel really good and you feel humble and you feel good. I got awards from everybody, but I love to have smile on my client's face.
Oh, nice, beautiful. And how do you see the salon industry in the current scenario? Like as of now in lockdown, it's been really hit badly. What do you see the
question? I really want you to talk about it. At the moment, I'm making some videos.
Want to know that as well. I'm sure a lot of audience would like to know that.
Yeah. That's very, very important because at the moment, time is such that everybody's scared to go outside. Can you hold for a moment? Let me put, I think, in between, I need to put some charger. Just a moment.
Sure. Yeah. So thank you for cooperating, everybody, and keeping the patience. But then it's a very, very contemporary topic. Soon she's going to be here with us, and who better than the legend from the beauty industry talking and telling us about the future of the salon industry in the country, especially in the current scenario. And let's see how things are going to be. I'm sure they already know how they're going to plan it and what is the future. It would be very interesting to know. Any other questions anybody would want to ask, please go ahead so that we can have a question answer round after this. I already have one question from Sunita. So you all can just text in the messages so that we can take up those questions. If you think I've missed on something which you wanted to know, so please feel free and write the question. She's right here to answer all the queries. And we are all lucky to have Bharti Taneja ji here with us. And it's just as good as being with her, actually. It doesn't look like we are on a live, Facebook chat. It seems like you're sitting right in front of me and I'm with you. And so is the audience.
Let me first tell everybody that, going to a parlor, people are really scared. Because this is such a dangerous time otherwise. One thing I must tell everybody, that don't call people at home for the services. Because sometimes, we feel they are wearing a PPE kit and we are very safe. They are safe because they are wearing a PPE kit. So they are safe. But they're coming from one place to another, one house to another, and then third, and then fourth. So they are bringing all the virus along with them because virus is outside the PPE kit. That doesn't go inside. So they are safe. But we are not safe because they are bringing virus to our house. And our family can get infected. So very, very careful we have to be. So don't call anybody for home services. That's one very, very important thing. Because they cannot sanitize their kids and then come to our house. It is not sanitized. But you really have to be very, very careful. That it's a long list actually. I have on my channel. I am putting a lot of videos from from A to Z, how to find out a parlor. There should be a sanitizer out. It should be sanitized. There should be checked. And then once you go inside, the girl who is sitting in the front should have mask, shield, hair covered. They should sanitize the clinic very, very well. And they should give you a gown and foot cover and mask if you're not wearing, so that you're always there should be one shield or two shields in between you and the person who's doing your work because you can't maintain the 6 feet distance as well. We will be very near to each other. So that time it's very, very important to be safe. But believe me, our beauty industry has really done a very good job that we are teaching, we are doing a lot of training to each and every worker, and we are making our lot of differences are there. Only for you. uh, everything disposable from gown to top, everything will be disposable. Lot of sanitizer, lot of sanitizing machines, and
Right.
especially special sheets to save.
Right.
So we have made so many arrangements that once the
Okay.
client comes, she will 100% feel safe. Uh, and feel good. And safety is the
Right.
first priority. I think at the moment, most important is
Absolutely.
go to a clinic or parlor or salon where you feel that there's a lot of safety. A lot of safety measures are taken and a lot of uh, parlors have changed into a clinic. So it looks
Right.
like
That's right.
doctors are working there. So that is also
Right.
very good. Yeah.
Right. So I think in the coming times, we are going to see more of hygiene standards being maintained, and people have to be very careful, and even the salons will have to provide for all that sanitizers, slippers, and all that.
Every service there's a difference. We used to do threading, putting the thread into mouth. Now there's a different style of working. Even waxing also, we can't use the same spatula, so we have to have two spatula. It's a different way of working. Total way of working will change, but it will be a good change and it will be forever. We won't be changing. Nobody will be changing the whole procedure. So everybody will be having hygiene.
Right.
Really
So it's going to be for good and better, basically. Now it's going to be for good. So, this is any plans of Bharti Taneja opening internationally, or what are your future plans? I mean, you're already 65 in India, so what next?
We are planning to have a lot more in India as well as abroad. So let's see. Already there were so many things going on. In Dubai also it was almost getting finalized. So many other countries as well. They were almost finalized, but because of this COVID,
Right now, yeah.
so many things are in between now. Let's see what happens after.
So
Not everything
things
is
get
little over.
yeah. Right. So you do have plans to go international as well now. You're open to going international when things get better. Wonderful. We really look forward to it. And as you know, Bharti ji, the program and the talk show is about Madhvi's luxury code dot. I would like to know your definition of luxury.
See, for luxury, everybody has a different style of thinking, what they think of luxury. But I feel luxury is, if you are feeling comfortable, that's very, very important. Only
Right.
if we do something to show somebody else, that is not luxury. Luxury is which I feel for myself. And everybody wants to look good and different
Right.
every time. So for
Right.
luxury, you should feel that you are looking different, you are looking innovative. It's all innovation what we do. Even with the, what I feel with the same thing, you can look different in two different functions. So that also comes into luxury. It looks more luxurious, but you can use the same thing also. But I feel luxury is more comfortable and that is my feel.
Wonderful. Lovely.
And I was like, create the thing rather than using different brand. I make my own brand for each and everything. For my jewelry, I create myself. For like, generally I innovate. So I feel that is that more luxurious and I feel more confident as well.
Right, beautiful. And I happen to have been a part of one of your events where you had invited me as a special guest. It was IFT fashion show of Ratandeep Lal. And it was an amazing show. It was like really an international standard shows, I can call it. Like the kind of display you had of the models and the outfits they were wearing, it was completely international. I loved watching that. And any of the lockdown tips that you can give to the audience that around this lockdown, because a lot of my friends, they tell me, how do you get live on show every day? Because, we need to blow dry our hair, we need to do makeup. So I'm a no makeup person. So that's why I think I'm saving a lot of my time, and that's why I'm able to do these shows every day. But a lot of people who are into proper makeup and into their long hair and blow dries, so, any advice you can give to maintain your beautiful skin or to maintain your beauty without facials, without any beauty treatment? How do you look?
I think I did so many videos. So on my channel also I put a lot of videos how to look after yourself as you're sitting at home from the kitchen. Everything from the kitchen. All the peels, whatever you're using, all the vegetables, fruits, you can use those peels even. Not even the fruits, but the peels also. You can use it for your beauty. And I think looking after your skin is very, very important. Cleaning, moisturizing, toning, and nourishing. These are very, very important things. If you do that, your skin glows itself. And be positive, that will make you glow from inside. Take care of your food, that's also give you glow. So if you are healthy, your skin will glow. If you're not healthy, any kind of facial you do, maybe you will glow for one day, but you will not keep on glowing. So remaining healthy, positive, and looking at the rest and hair. These all the things together can make you look beautiful. And for makeup, it's not that you do so much. I would say, why don't you get permanent makeup? Permanent lipstick, permanent liner, permanent kajal, permanent eyebrow, and permanent lashes. So you have to all the time.
Yeah, so lockdown or no lockdown, if you have permanent makeup, you get up beautiful, you're all the time 24/7, you look beautiful. Because that's.
And for 15 years, once you get done 15 years, you're free. You don't have to put kajal or liner. And even eyelash extension, if you do, you don't have to do eye makeup at all. So,
right. That's a good advice for beauty conscious people and who want to always look, kept. That's nice. And there is a question for you from Sunita. You have, motivated and given new platform to make money and make name to many names to the women. How? She's written a question here. You're motivated and given new platform to make money and make name to many women. How does it feel? Yeah.
Can you repeat where the question? Maybe I lost it. I can't see it.
It's on screen that Bhartiji, you have motivated and given new platform to make money and make name to many women. How does it feel?
Oh, you always can help others. If my students work
empowered so many women is what she's trying to say. I think that how does it feel to empower so many women?
I'll say one very important thing. I always wanted to make the world beautiful. And I'm sure alone I can't do anything. Through my students, I can really reach each and everyone in the world. I have students all over the world, in America, in Canada, in Britain, everywhere, in Kuwait, in Gulf, so many students are there. So I feel those are the pillars for myself, Those pillars are also working along with me and making my dream come true. So I feel so great and so good, when I see people working and helping people to look beautiful. Because, actually, beauty doesn't mean makeup. Beauty means you feel beautiful, your skin is beautiful, and you're feeling good. So, feeling happy. So, the whole world, all my students are making the people feeling happy and getting the blessings. We work only for blessings. Once you look good, you will feel good. Definitely, you will bless us. So I always tell my students as well. Always work honestly. If you work honestly, you will get a lot of blessings from the people. Because we are the people who are making people look beautiful, feel confident, and work better with. So I always feel great when my students.
I think that's your passion and that's your passion and sorry. I think that's your passion.
I feel so happy about it.
Right. I think that's your passion and that's the highest kick you get when your students do well and when you are able to empower them to be on their own. That's the biggest high that you get. And what is the message you would like to give, Bhartiji, to the audience today? A message from your side. A message.
Message. Yeah. At the moment, at this moment, message is especially for the people who are sitting at home Don't get scared. Be careful. Very important. Stay at home and take care of yourself. Wear mask and wear a shield when you go out, because corona is actually spreading a lot. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful. And if you really want to look beautiful, stay beautiful at heart, and you whatever you. But for you have to be in a parlor when you're right at that time. Choose a parlor. Maybe you have to pay a little more, but choose a parlor or salon or a clinic where you feel you feel safe. You can see the videos. You can go by appointment only. Don't rush. Please take care of yourself. At the moment, this is very, very dangerous time. Otherwise, to go to a small salon where they cannot afford to keep you safe. So keeping yourself safe is most important.
True. Very lovely.
कितना है तो सब है.
Yeah, beautiful, awesome message, and I'm sure we all are going to take care. And I've learned a lot from your tips, and it's been inspiring and motivational. Thank you so much. It's been an honor and pleasure to have you here at Madhi's Luxury Court.
It was very nice to you. I meet so many people. Although I could not see the messages, I could not answer. But it's really nice. I can see few of them. Really nice to meet you.
And maybe later on, once you see the messages properly, you can reply on the Facebook messages.
Yeah, I'll see them later on. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sina. It's an honor and pleasure. Thanks. Bye-bye.